Hello everybody and welcome to Optima TikTok Shop Connector. In this video, we are going to discuss how to sync TikTok Shop orders on Shopify. So let's get started. With Optima, your TikTok Shop orders will be automatically synced to both our app and your Shopify store. But make sure your order syncing settings are properly configured in the Order Sync Rules section under the Settings tab. Right now, I'm on the order section of the Optima app and here you can see all the details regarding your orders. You can also view the TikTok order status here like the unpaid orders, cancelled orders, completed orders and awaiting shipment. If some of your orders are not synced, then you don't need to worry. You simply have to click the sync button in front of the order which is not synced. Let's suppose I'm going to sync this product. I'm clicking on resync now. You can see an error is coming while syncing this order. It means the products of this order are not linked to Shopify. Now let's open this order and check whether it's linked to Shopify or not. I'm copying the product name and checking it in the unlinked products. You can see it's available in unlinked products. It means it's not linked here. It means you have to link the products first and then you can sync the orders. However, if you provide tracking number for your orders, then they will automatically be synced here on the orders page. Moreover, you can copy the order ID from here and then paste it in the TikTok Shop Seller Center to verify the product. You can see the order is available here and it's completed and you can see all the details by clicking on it. And here you can view the cancellations. You can see this cancelled order and the reason for cancellation is also provided here. And here you can view the returns. No return is showing here. So finally we can say our app provides real-time synchronization. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding our app Optima TikTok Shop Connector and thank you for watching this video.